All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to be looking at a brand new case from Supcase. It's the Unicorn Beetle Pro Mag case. And this is for the 13 Pro Max. I have a link in the description. It comes in two colors, a blue color and a black color. But we're going to go ahead and jump into it right now, and we'll show you how this looks, man. I think this is going to be really good. So let's pop it open. And I really like the box, too. The box is crazy. They're stepping their game up a lot, man. So if you have a iPhone 13 Pro Max, you're watching this video because you searched iPhone 13 Pro Max probably, and this popped up on the channel. So the iPhone 13 Pro Max is Apple's latest big boy from 2021, and this is what Supcase has to offer. Same design, basically. You get the belt clip and everything in here, which is really nice. I personally clip these to the visor sometimes when I'm in the car, but you got this just fantastic design now. I mean, this is just so sweet. Like, you boom, and you get to have it like this now. Wow, that's just fantastic. So it is MagSafe, so MagSafe products will work on here, and it is strong, folks. I kind of did a sneak peek and used one of my MagSafe products, but this is the blue color, and obviously I appreciate them sending this over because they can see that I have a blue iPhone 13 Pro Max, so it's going to work good with it. It looks good, nice and uniformed. Even though it's in the case, it's still gonna look good. So you got this kind of faux carbon fiber around the top here, and then you've got lots of grip along the sides as usual with the Unicorn Beetle, the Supcase, I'm sorry. And then you've got a little branding here, your power button right there, a little bit of ridge on there. It's kind of a smooth carbon fiber like ridge feeling. Then you got your cover here for the vibrate and mute switch, volume rocker, and then you have the dust cover. And then here, so we're going to go ahead and hit this corner down here. You can peel off this top layer. And we'll put this in. This is going to be really nice and snug, too. It's not a bulky case either, if you're wondering. So let me clean off the glass here. I do have a glass screen protector on here, but I'll probably remove, because, you know, sometimes they make these types of cases without the screen protector built in. So I'll probably remove that after the video because I do have a tempered glass on here. Yeah, we'll see how this works, but I'm going to try it on though, because I know it's going to work. So off with this plastic, and then keep it facing down here, and we'll go ahead and put this on. And like I said, it's going to fit because it's enough room. Off with the plastic, nice and clear. And then I always go bottom first. And then with these newer styles like this, you have to just make sure it's worked around the ridges around the edge right there. That way it stays in snug, so it's kind of fitting to the phone. And then the touch sensitivity, I'll leave my glass on and I'll leave the screen protector on. Very nice. Man, folks, this feels really good. I'm not going to lie to you. It's a very nice feeling on the sides, because if you know, I don't like the size of this device. I like a matte feeling like on my S22 Ultra. But this is really nice. You got the ports here on the top here for your sensors. You can kind of see how the sensors are right there, how they have it cut out. But other than that, you've got this nice blue highlights around the front of the frame. And since this has a screen protector, a lot of people don't buy screen protectors, to my surprise. But you can sit it down flat like this and you won't have any problems with it. So that is good. The power button and volume rocker work great. As you can see here, it's nice and soft. But it's soft, but not too soft. Power button is good. And then getting into here, you don't need like a lot of fingernail, nothing to get in there. You can just boom like that. And then the dust cover on the bottom. These, when I get cases like this, the only thing I don't like is the dust covers, but these are for heavy duty protection. So you don't want sand or anything to get in there. You want it to actually, you know, be protected. And that's why those dust covers are there. But it is MagSafe. So you have the ability, I can get this, let's see how well it, no, I don't think this is kickstand like material here. I mean, but I guess, oh, there it is, kickstand material. Yes, it is. My bad, folks. Hey, listen, I'm human. I can make mistakes. It's still a great case. So the kickstand now, I'm so used to sitting like this, but the kickstand is in full effect. Now, it is MagSafe. So MagSafe products go on nice and smooth. So if you're a person who likes these right here, or just you have the things in your car like I do, this is going to work great. And it is strong, folks. It is strong, strong, strong. Look at that. Very nice. Yeah. So MagSafe in full effect. And you got your kickstand too. Boom, there it is. So shout out to them, man. And wireless charging, let's just check it just for general purposes here. Let me grab a wireless charger here. Get it fired up. All right, got a little bit of wireless charging going on. See if it works. Boom, wireless charging works. You guys are set now. You have nothing to worry about because this is a pretty bulky case, but this is just a regular fast charger and wireless charging works right off the bat. No adjustments needed. Everything is good to go. So, man, I appreciate them. They have no idea. Yes, they do. They understand. I appreciate, things like this because this is a must-have for a lot of people, a case and a screen protector built in. And this is the new one I'll rock for a little while. I've been rocking out with another case or two other cases, and I kind of like how this feels better than my OtterBox. OtterBox is one of my favorite cases, but I kind of like how this feels. This also costs half the price of my OtterBox, so this is only going to run you $39, folks. So this is a good one. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and wow, I will see you guys in the next video. This is your man, Jay Will. Shout out to Unicorn Beetle Pro Supcase for hooking up the case, and I appreciate it. See you in the next one. Take care.